Racism in the world. In this video, we are talking about background of the racism. Today, most of the people talking about racism because of the recent incidents. So we thought to do a small video about it. Here we are only talking about the background. What is racism? Group of humans possess different behavioral influence corresponding to physical appearance or person's inborn biological characteristics and can be divided based in the superiority and inferiority of one race over another. It will be believed that person is less than another. It can be because of the language, skin color, birthplace or any factor, and it based in social perception of biological differences between humans. Because of this racism, it has influenced for wars, social actions, the formation of nations and legal codes. It is more than just words, belief and actions. It includes all the barriers that prevent people from dignity and equality because of their race. Some of the countries still have racism strictly. Most of the time, people associate racism with acts of abuse or harassment. Of this type of situation, people do not need to involve violent or intimidating behavior. By looking at the people's actions and their attitude, we can reveal racism. Sometimes we can see racism in many systems and also in the institutions. For example, when we apply a job opportunity, some companies decide not to interview people with certain surnames who experience racism. Many people in the world have experience of racism. Those who are in Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people and culturally diverse backgrounds often have to deal with systematic form of discrimination. Some group of people experience racism at higher rates. Systematic racism is bound up in historical disadvantage and mistreatment for most of the people. Sometimes they have to separate with their children from their families and they have caused huge amount of hurt and pain. Most of the countries, schools, institutions, everywhere, some people have to suffer because of this racism. And also, most of the time migrants and refugees regularly get the experience. Most of the time, those who have recently arrived has to face this problem. This kind of situation can make it difficult for new arrivals to find housing and jobs. Where does racism happen? This can happen anywhere, any country, any institutions, any place. It can be neighborhood shops, public transport, schools. We can say exactly where it can happen. Sometimes we can find expressions of racism in the social media. For an example, some racial groups are represented in an unfair or negative light in news reports or anything. So media also another form of racism. In recent years, racism becomes a problem in online. It can happen because of the offensive comments, posts, or hateful videos. Because of that, it will spread the racism all around the world. Why are people racist? When we born, we are not born with the racist ideas or attitudes. Racism is something that we learn from the society. This is happened because small minority of people believe that some races are superior to others. Country-wise, this might be changed. We cannot say that all the racism comes from hatred. Most of the time it can be happen because of the hatred. Some of it can be come from fear. People might be worried that some group of people pose a threat, whether to the safety of the community or to the national identity of them. Racism is not always malicious. Sometimes the harm of racism can be done innocently because someone may not know better. Why is racism a problem? Racism hurts to people, communities, and our society. It is harmful things for us. All the peoples are human, so everyone has same equality and dignity. When we have to face racism regularly, it can lead to people withdrawing from studies, jobs, and diminish their quality of life. The effect of this racism can include feelings of sadness and anger, even anxiety and depression. Those who endure racism, they feel they have less of freedom than others. This is not affecting a certain group of people. This will affect to the whole around the world. In racism, people do not respect to each other, but this is not the correct way. We need to respect all the people. This will challenge our society's value of equality and fairness. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and see you next time.